Daily English conversation, simple present tense. Morning conversation. Rahul, good morning. Aaron, good morning, how are you? Rahul, I am fine. What time do you wake up? Aaron, I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. What about you? Rahul, I wake up at 5:30. Aaron, do you exercise in the morning? Rahul, yes, I exercise for 30 minutes. Aaron, that is good. I walk in the park every morning. Rahul, what do you eat for breakfast? Aaron, I eat idli and drink coffee. What do you eat? Rahul, I usually eat dosa and fruit juice. Going to work. Aaron, where do you work? Rahul, I work in an office. I work as an accountant. Aaron, that sounds nice. Rahul, how do you go to work? Aaron, I go by bus. How do you travel? Rahul, I ride my bike to the office. Aaron, what time do you start work? Rahul, I start work at 9 a.m. Aaron, I start at 10 a.m. Office conversation. Rahul, do you like your job? Aaron, yes, I like my job very much. Rahul, what do you do in the office? Aaron, I check emails and prepare reports. Rahul, do you drink tea at work? Aaron, yes, I drink tea twice a day. Rahul, I drink coffee in the afternoon. Evening conversation. Aaron, what do you do after work? Rahul, I go home and take some rest. Aaron, do you watch TV? Rahul, yes, I watch news and English videos. Aaron, that is helpful for learning English. Rahul, yes, it improves my listening skills. Night conversation. Aaron, what time do you sleep? Rahul, I sleep at 10:30 p.m. Aaron, I sleep at 11 p.m. Rahul, do you read books at night? Aaron, yes, I read for 20 minutes before sleep. Rahul, that is a good habit. Aaron, nice talking to you. Rahul, nice talking to you too. Have a good night. Aaron, good night.